Hello everyone, we are the team Subscribe and we are here to present the demo video of our project Facial Recognition Based Attendance Management System. The purpose of this project is to computerize the traditional way of taking attendance and reduce the risk of human intervention. In traditional way, biometric or pen paper based system can pose a threat to spread of various flu and viruses in the present pandemic situation. So we are going to the next level of facial recognition based attendance system. So here the basic thing is the system marks the attendance based on our face, recognizing our face. Okay, facial recognition is a category of biometric software that maps an individual facial features mathematically and stores the data as a face print. So basically we are going to see the working of our project prototype mostly. So the entire project is developed on Python programming language, and we use an OpenCV computer vision for facial detection, and we use an facial recognition algorithm, and for storing the data we use MongoDB database. So basically this is a prompt opening when we at the start of the project. Basically there are three main modules in the entire project. There is capture module, train module, and track module. What happens in each and every module we are going to see, starting with the capture module. Here in the capture module, the working process is going like this. It takes the images of the person and it stores the image with the respective ID and the name what we have entered here. So I am giving some random ID. So name. When we click on the capture, the cam will open and it takes images. Basically it takes nearly 50 to 60 images. If we increases the input images, there will be more accurate results will appear. So coming to the next step, it is a train module. This is the main important step of our entire project of facial recognition. It will train in such a way that it maps the image with the name what we have entered. So whenever next time the same face will appear, it will automatically recognize the person name. How it will happen is based upon our facial recognition algorithm. It matches each individual characteristic that appears on our faces. There are many millions of unique characteristics that appear on our face. It takes the individual characteristics from the image and maps with the respective, and in form of mathematical that our algorithm is going to work. So when clicking on the train, it trains all the entire images that taken from the capture module. So here we see that image is trained. So up to this one part is completed, and the main part is the tracking module. That means what the image we have taken is able to recognize our face or not whenever we appear for the next time. So coming to the track module, see the face is open and it recognizes my name as Suman and the ID is respectively available there. So okay, let's see whether the changes is reflected in our DB. So we can see the notification like ID, name, and the date and the time also. So for storing the data we mainly use MongoDB. So when we refresh, let's see whether the changes reflected in database. So here we can see the change we reflected in database. The recognized ID and name is stored in database with the presence as present, and also we can make, if a person is not in the respected time period, so we can it may also mark the absence also within respected time period, like whether it based on some companies working hours like 8 hours or 7 hours, or in schools and colleges like 6 to 7 hours. So it respected on the time period. If the person is not in that time period of up to 7 hours, once the time he is in and up to the time he out, it calculates the duration between the time, and if it matches with the respected time period, it will then only it will mark the present, otherwise it will mark the absent. So sometimes when there is some miscommunication or error might happen, so we can modify it by through manual attendance. Like if we can enter the ID and name, and we can change this attendance of any person, it will reflect in the DB. Like we can see on the state how many persons are there. Like here we can see this is an ID which we taken earlier. This is an face image which we taken from earlier tracking and training. So that's it. Hope you all understand. This is a quit button. By pressing it, it will exit from the window. Okay.
Coming to another important module that we have included is to detect the employee's state of mind, means a person's emotional state like angriness, happy and neutral, etc. By this, the company come to know whether the employee is satisfied with his work or not. So this helps in increasing company's growth in many ways. And this is how we detect the face of an employee, and these are the outputs that we have generated. Thank you.